So this is a big T-Rex volcano arena. And we got some new monster trucks for my birthday. And this is the other toy for my birthday, And if you want to see more toys, you can watch more videos about my birthday. And so we're going to open this up. And we're going to play with these. And it's going to come with another car in the car. So.
And we're going to build it.
Yeah, we're going to build this thing. And then it's going to look cool.
All right. Peace.
Peace.
Go.
Hello, this is a lot of stuff. This, I don't know what this is for. This, you drive monster trucks at it, and this is going to go up, and this bell is going to move. And this has a surprise in it. We're not going to do it.
We're about to build it and come back for more.
Yeah. And so, we got a little ram so the monster trucks can go do a backflip. They're boosted to do it. And there's spinning wheels.
Dang. We'll do some serious monster truck tricks.
This volcano looks.
My goodness, this is going to be a cool toy.
Hello guys, and this is our monster truck.
Oh my God, I love it.
Yeah, and this is a monster truck arena T-Rex chomp. And so we're going to show you how this works. So right here, you can get a monster truck. That's a car, classic cars. And make them land on the car. And you can turn it and then knock down the barrel to do a backflip.
Nice. I like the backflip.
And yeah, that's cool. I've been waiting to do that when I got this for my birthday. And you can also do, and it's like in a movie, like how monster trucks in the show, when they come out of a hole, it's like this huge.
Oh, cool. I didn't even know that. I didn't see that part when I built it.
So, and this part, a launcher, you put a car, you put a monster truck right there. And then
What else can you put in there?
This is my toys for my birthday.
Yeah.
And then you pick a car. And
Oh, you're looking for the Hot Wheels car, maybe?
maybe.
Cool. Go.
So now we're gonna launch these. Do that. Now we're gonna place the button. Ready? So this car is actually gonna jump here.
What?
Sometimes he might go in there.
How will he make it?
Sometimes he actually makes it, and sometimes he might go in there.
Oh, okay.
Monster truck goes through the loop into there.
Wow.
And so we're gonna try it out.
My body's ready.
And there's a surprise in here. At some point, somebody's gonna come out.
Oh my
It
God.
might not be this time, Sid. At some
Do it. Oh!
Wait, let's try that again with the car. So, because he didn't go in the volcano or make it.
Okay, go. Whoa. Oh my God! Jackson, what was that?
Now the dinosaur.
Yay!
Set.
Oh!
He crashed and now he's gonna take them.
Hit him with Gravedigger. Gravedigger's our man. Oh! Great job! Yeah! And you can store monster trucks on the top. I like that. Yeah. You can put like 8 monster trucks. All right. Jackson, you want to hit the button real quick? Jackson, Isaac, set it up for brother. Last thing. Come see brother. Come hit the button. Come hit the button.
Hit the button.
Ready, say go. Whoa! Say peace, homies.
Peace, homies. Peace, homies.
Speedster Squad. Ow.